Hello students, today we are on our second standard GK subject and today we are going to learn about our lesson number 25, 26, 27 and 28. So let's start what's inside the lesson. Okay students, now we are on our lesson number 25, that is a count and tell. Bunny wants to pluck a few flowers from Uncle Raman's farm. He can do so only on the condition that he points out exactly how many flowers, fruits, vegetables and animals are there on the farm. Help him find the exact number by ticking the correct answer. यहाँ पर जो बनी है उसे यहाँ से कुछ एनिमल्स चाहिए, कुछ फ्रूट्स चाहिए, कुछ फ्लावर्स चाहिए और उसे ये प्लग करते हुए उनके काउंट भी उसे फाइंड करने हैं. सो हमें यहाँ पर जो फ्रूट, फ्लावर्स, वेजिटेबल्स और एनिमल्स जो दिए हैं वो हमें काउंट करने हैं. सो सबसे पहले हम काउंट करेंगे फ्रूट्स. सो यहाँ पर पिक्चर्स में आपको जितने भी फ्रूट्स है वो काउंट करने हैं और वो फ्रूट्स है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 एंड 9. टोटल यहाँ पर 9 फ्रूट्स है. तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने फ्रूट्स पर 9 पर टिक किया हुआ है. देन नेक्स्ट फ्लावर्स. अब हम फाइंड करेंगे कि यहाँ पर फ्लावर्स कितने हैं. फ्लावर्स है देखो 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड हियर इज अनदर फ्लावर 5. So flowers will be 5. Then यहाँ पर हम फाइंड करेंगे वेजिटेबल्स. अब वेजिटेबल्स यहाँ पर आप देखोगे तो वेजिटेबल्स है यहाँ पर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 vegetables are there. So here is click on 6 vegetables. देन एनिमल्स यहाँ पर देखो 2 hens, 2 cows and 1 dog. 2 plus 2 4 and plus 1 5. Total animals are 5. So we have tick on the number 5. Okay students, in this way in the lesson number 25 count and tell, in this lesson the fruits are 9, flowers are 5, vegetables are 6 and animals are 5. Okay students, so this was our lesson number 25. Now let's move on our lesson number 26. It is a jungle safari. Animals that live in the wild are called wild animals. Animals that live in our homes are pets or on a farm are called domestic animals. Circle the wild animals shown here. So we have to write down their names. First of all, here is given, identify which of the above animals are meat eaters and which are plant eaters. So first here meat मतलब जो जानवर या जो एनिमल्स दूसरे एनिमल्स को खाते हैं या वो मीट खाते हैं वो एनिमल्स होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ईयर लॉयन. ये देखो यहाँ पर उसकी स्पेलिंग दी हुई है, आपको यही स्पेलिंग नीचे भी लिखनी है. लॉयन मीट ईटर होता है. देन टाइगर, ये देखो यहाँ पर टाइगर. देन क्रोकोडाइल, हियर इज क्रोकोडाइल. एंड फॉक्स, वेयर इज फॉक्स? हियर इज द फॉक्स. सो लॉयन, टाइगर, क्रोकोडाइल एंड फॉक्स, these animals are meat eater animals. Then plant eaters, उनमें आएंगे elephant, here is an elephant. Camel, here is a camel. Zebra, see here is that zebra. Horse, where is horse? Here is the horse. And then hare, where is the hare? Here is that hare. Means elephant, camel, zebra, horse and hare are the grass eaters or plant eaters animal. Then C, eat both, means that animals who can eat plant also and who can eat meat also. So they are cat, dog and bear. Here is dog, here is the bear and here is the cat. Why? Because cat can drink milk also and cat can eat meat also, means fish also. Okay students, so this was our lesson number 26, jungle safari. Now let's move on our lesson number 27, dresses we wear. This is observation part lesson, and in this lesson we have to find out their dresses. First of all, look at the picture and write the names of the clothes worn by the people below. Use the help box. यहाँ पर नीचे आपको हेल्प बॉक्स दिया होगा और इस हेल्प बॉक्स के हेल्प से आपको उनके ड्रेसेस जो है वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो फर्स्ट नंबर, लुक एट दिस क्लॉथ. दिस इज ए टी शर्ट. स्पेलिंग इज T-SHIRT, टी शर्ट. Second one is a cap, topi, cap. Then third number is a coat, COAT, coat. Then fourth number, look at this cloth. This is a pullover, PULLOVER, pullover. Then fifth number, there is a kurta, KURTA. This is a kurta. Then sixth number, look at this short pant. This is a shorts, SHORTS, shorts. Then seven number cloth, look at this woman wearing, she wears sari, SAREE, sari. Then look at this man and this pant. This pant is called trousers, TROUSERS, trousers. And look at this small girl, she wears skirt, SKIRT, skirt. And this old man, he wears dhoti, DHOTI. So students, these are the dresses that the persons wear. Now we are on our last lesson, that is a tale. Tale means a story and tale means batana. Characters of different tales are saying something. Can you identify them? Use the help box and name them. One has been done for you. First, let us say and their answers are given here. Here is the help box, and to refer the spellings you can see here and write the correct spell. I was helped by the elves, says the shoemakers. Second, my nose grew long when I told a lie. He is Pinocchio. Then third, I had my finger pricked. Sleeping Beauty. Who? Sleeping Beauty. Then fourth, I was very thirsty. The Crow. Fifth number, I was a very tiny girl. Thumbelina. Who? Thumbelina. Then sixth number, I made the seven dwarfs. Dwarf means bone insan. She is Snow White. Then seventh number, I had two weak sisters. She was Cinderella. Who? Cinderella. Then eighth number and last, we fought over a piece of bread. They are two cats. मतलब दो बिल्लियाँ. Okay students, in this way, in the second standard GK subject, we have today learned lesson number 25, 26, 27 and 28. Thank you.